Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up a drop shipping account on Shopify for under $50. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. If you follow all the steps that I'm going to give you guys in this video, you'll be able to start your own drop shipping store immediately. The first thing that you need to do is find out what kind of product you would be actually selling. And the best place to start market research is on TikTok. So when you head over to TikTok, you can easily find products that are being sold by individuals because TikTok is the biggest platform where these products are being advertised. So you need to select a product that is evergreen and that will continuously sell throughout the year. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see different products that are available, but you gotta select a product that stands out, a product where you can actually increase your profit margin. Now, the other most important element you have to keep in mind, which I'm going to tell you in a second after you select a product, is going to be very important. So let's select a product. The product that we're going to go for is called a fidget spinner. So now this is a product that has a market. So the next step, what you need to do once you've decided on the particular product that you're going to go for, is you have to head over to business name generator. So now we understand the product that we're going to sell, but we have to make sure that the shop that we're going to create has to be something that is going to be relevant to the product. So we're going to select the name of spinner and we're going to get started. Now, once you search for spinner, you will get a lot of different names in relation to that. So one of the most difficult things for someone to decide is a business name, because there's so many names available and majority of the time you'll decide a particular name, but what happens is that you will actually end up choosing a name that someone already has, and then you will have to start from scratch. So when we look at all these different names, we gotta select a name that really stands out, and the name that stands out right now is going to be Fly Spinner. So once we click on Fly Spinner, we'll be able to see if the domain for Fly Spinner is available or not. So .com, .co, .net, .us, .org. Now all these are available, so we can easily register. We're going to go for the flyspinner.co. Once we select it, it will take us to the next page on GoDaddy. Once we reach on GoDaddy, we'll be able to find our domain that's going to be available for $11.99 for .co or $9.99 for ORGs, but we're going to go for .co. So this is going to cost us $12, and all you need to do to get it is click on Make It Yours. Once you've done that and you've gotten the domain and you've set up your domain, now you have a name for your business, which is Fly Spinner. You have a product for your business that you're going to sell on your shop, which is going to be the fidget spinner. So now we have to go find a fidget spinner. So we'll head over to AliExpress. Once we reach on AliExpress, we will search for a fidget spinner. Now these are all the fidget spinners that are available on AliExpress. Now one of the major things that you have to keep in mind when you select a product is the price. You need to make sure the price is as low as possible, and obviously the selling prices is as much as possible, because that is where the difference comes and that is where your profit margin is made. The other thing which is very important before you select a product is to actually look at the amount of that product being sold. Now obviously you want a product that has a lot of sellability. People are buying it. That means value is good, the product is good, the quality is good, and obviously it will definitely sell. So if you look over here, this product is for $2.76 and 9,238 have been sold with a review of 4.6, but the shipping cost is $9.80. So let's check another product that is going to be available. Now this product is for $1.86, 1,092 have been sold, and the rating is 4.8. So this is a product that we will definitely go for. So once we click on it, we'll be able to see the complete breakdown of this product. So we can clearly see there are different colors that are available, what the product description is, what the product title is, and obviously free shipping is available, and obviously what features and pictures are going to be available for us to use. And all of these elements are available for us to make use of. And that is one of the most important things you keep in mind when you are selecting a product, where you have all the information that you require that would help you sell this product on your store. So now we have selected the product, we have made our domain. Now we're going to head over to Shopify.com. Now Shopify.com is the place where you can bring your dreams to reality and you can start selling your product immediately. But before we get into that, we first need to check the pricing and how much it is going to cost us. When we click on pricing, we'll be taken to the next page. Once we get to the pricing, there's 3 methods that are available that you can get. So guys, before we get into the pricing, if you want to get 90 days completely free of Shopify, head over to the description below and click on the link. Now the thing over here for the pricing, it's very simple. You have 3 three methodologies that are available. The first one is the basic one, the second is the Shopify, and the third is advanced. Now there's two methods by which you can pay. You can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. If you pay yearly, you save up to 50%, which I'm going to show you in a second. For the monthly, you get a $29 per month, a basic, where you have everything that you need to create your store, ship products, and process payments. On the Shopify, you will get a level up on your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts for $79 per month. And for the advanced, you get the best of the Shopify with custom reporting and their lowest transaction fee of $299. But if you convert this to yearly, you save up to 50% with the basic, which will come to $14.44, and the 79 will come to $39.44, and the advanced will come to $147.78. Now obviously you have to select what works for you, but if you want to check out the description, you can check out Shopify for 90 days and see how it works for you, because this is truly a game changer. Now if you want to make life easy for you, and this is the reason why I've made this video, to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you, I'm going to give you a tip right now that will give you a competitive advantage. The tip is that you head over to Shopify App Store and get the ZenDrop Global Dropshipping. Now, what does this do, and why is this one of the most interesting app right now on Shopify App Store? You'll get faster shipping, meaning the ZenDrop provides industry-leading shipping option and expedited shipping as well, and you can easily add products to your store with a push of a button, and you can work with their customer support team around the clock and keep a pulse on all of your business needs. Even more, the thing that really makes ZenDrop stand out is the fact that it is the most trusted by suppliers. And obviously ZenDrop was created for dropshippers by dropshippers, and obviously looking at the frustration of relying on supplies from AliExpress to run the business and having the communication be very slow and non-existent in some cases, and obviously with the bad qualities that sometimes you get, ZenDrop got the solution to the ongoing problems. And obviously for that reason, this app makes the process easy and streamlined. And along with their having higher quality product, they also have a shorter shipping time, and that is one of the reasons why people are turning to ZenDrop, because it takes matter to the next level. The second app that you can go for is called eParolo, and you can find it on eParolo.com. Now this is the most interesting element that you can add to your Shopify account to enhance it and take it to the next level. This is a forever free dropshipping platform with superb branding services, and their customer dropshipping business owners on a different online marketplace. They power the e-commerce store with product sourcing, order fulfillment, brand building, inventory management, and so much more. And right now, more than 300,000 dropshippers are using eParolo, and you could be one of them. And the best thing for this is that once you use these apps, you will get a competitive advantage over all the other individuals that don't know about it. If you follow the steps that I've shown you in this video, you can easily create a dropshipping account for yourself on Shopify. If you've not checked the description out and click on the link and got it for 90 days, go ahead and do it. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also find out the easy way to create a dropshipping account on Shopify under $50. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.